Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer about cotangx x, that is about cosine x over sine x, cosecant of x, that is about 1 over sine x. Next, we need to multiply by sine x on numerator and denominator. This one we have cosine x. Sine x multiplied by this one and this one. So we have number 1 plus 16 sine x squared. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side, and we have cosine x dx. This one we change by u, and we have u square. This one we change by du. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 over 4 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 over 16 tan t squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 1 over 4 secant of t squared dt. So I will put this one gone here. Du we change by this one. So this one we have 1 over 16 tan t squared. This one we have tan t squared. And this one we change by secant of t squared. So we simplify and we have 1 over 4 dt. And we have t in here. About t, that is about this one. So I will put number 4 go to the left. So we have t equal to octane of 4u. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.